y'all, this is Piper Blush, and don't worry, I'm not working at Marineland right now. But the thing is, I'm going to show you how you can deduct your pool toys. The pool toys that you have and you will use on your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, whatever. It's all going to happen in this video. Of course, you're good to go, as long as you keep your receipt, and you make some sort of content with it, whether that's video or photo, but you need to make content with it. That's why I'm doing this video. Oh yeah, Okay, so this thing, I need to blow up, put in the pool, and I need to make my banner. The thing is, a YouTube banner is often this way. It's like a rectangle. It's not like a square, not like an Instagram picture, or not like a profile picture. That can be profile picture, you know? But the thing is, profile picture are not banner pictures. So, since my whole slogan tagline is, I'm Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm going to show you how to deduct your life. Because who needs a fiscal paradise when you have YouTube? Well, I thought that possibly maybe, I could do something on a floaty in the pool. Why the pool? Because it's going to be like a fiscal paradise. You know, all fiscal paradises place, they're like islands, tropical places, where it's really hot and really nice and everybody wants to go live there, burn their passport and not pay their taxes. But the thing is, there's an easier way for you to do this. You don't need to do all of this. You just need to follow my channel and that's going to be a-okay. Alright, let's blow this up. It's a big toy, I have to say. It's one of the biggest toys ever. Oh yeah, and it smells really nice. Oh, some people like this fruit, other people don't like this fruit. I need to find the hole. Wait a second. It's gonna take me a little bit of time, but don't worry, we'll find it. Oh, there's one. Okay, I got a hole right here. So this actual pool toy, there's like a little bit of flower stuff in there. I tried off April's pool toy. April, from April in Paris. Yeah. She's on Spotify if you want to go check her out. April in Paris. So she kind of sort of brought this pool toy. I tried it and I was like, this is an amazing pool toy. I want the same one. And I ordered one. Now she didn't tell me it was on Amazon or anything, but I figured it out. Okay, need to find the right attachment for the right thingy. I think this one should do. Let's see. Will it fit? Oh yeah, it's a perfect fit. Now you could blow this whole thing up, but that would take way too long. So you know what you can also deduct? A pump. Are you pumped about this? Yeah, I know. Because this pump, well, you can use to blow this, and then it's gonna be another business expense deduction, because you need it. How are you gonna do it otherwise? They're not gonna check it out and be like, oh no, you could have blown it with your mouth. No, maybe you couldn't have. Maybe it's too difficult. So let's start this. Is done. Now make sure that these things, they're not in the way for the photo shoot. You need to push them inwards. Yeah, that way you don't get stuck in them. Also, well, thank you for Lisa, for leaving her pump here. That way I did not need to deduct one. But don't worry, if you don't have a pump, just purchase one to make sure that you can do all of this stuff. See this? This is a watermelon. I know some people prefer pineapples, but you tell me in the comment, which one is your favorite fruit? Is it the pineapple or the watermelon? If it's something else, well, just fight over it in the comment section. say this one has a lot of seeds. I prefer my watermelons without seeds, but again, that depends. Some people like babies, whatever. I'm gonna throw this in the pool, and then we'll go and do the photo shoot for my banner on YouTube. Will it float? Let's test this baby out. Purchased it off of Amazon. Now, the thing is, it's big. I mean, it's like big like me. Ooh, it's going well. It's going well. Put it in the water. Now, there's a few ways you could do this. That would be a lot more difficult, but I suggest you do it the easy way. You do it the Piper way. So you don't need to get all wet and dirty and all this stuff. All you need to do is climb on top of it slowly. Like this. Just like a polar bear. Then divide your weight. See, I'm not even wet yet. This is perfect. Okay, why am I screaming? I got you on me. It's perfect. Ta-da! Oh, yeah. I'm living the life in my fiscal paradise pool. Why? Because fiscal paradise can be anywhere where you are. Because if you've got YouTube, you don't need a fiscal paradise. All you need is YouTube and my channel. Now, this Marine Man outfit is pretty safe for YouTube, but I mean, we're talking about a banner here, so I'm gonna go change, I'm gonna get wet, and we're gonna shoot this banner. But you better subscribe to my channel, How to Deduct Your Life, to make sure that you see my new upcoming banner. It's gonna be amazing. And if you have more ideas and suggestions on things that you would like to deduct, make sure you leave a comment. And Piper, what exactly is deduct? If you don't know, leave a comment. I'll tell you all about it in the comment section. Oh yeah, okay. I need to do this. Phew, that's gonna be difficult. It's okay, I'll wait for the wind to change. Okay, see you later.